Hi, this is a fun little game I made for children to learn how to pronounce fruits and vegetables. It's a game made for the ages from 3 to 6, I guess, 7. Um, it's very simply, actually, you just have to move the ball around and collide it with different fruits or vegetables. The vegetables itself is going to become bigger, and the name of the fruit or the vegetable is going to be same. Please be advised that the sound of the recording is not as good as the application itself, because Google made new regulations about recording applications, so it's very hard to do this kind of recording. If you like this application, please give it a thumb, and if you want, you can leave me some constructive comments. Thank you.
Pear, baguette, broccoli, grapes, potato, bagel, coconut, broccoli, carrot, cabbage, watermelon, mango, watermelon, corn, potato,
Anyways, I would like to translate this application also in Yiddish, so
bell pepper.
if anybody is willing to help me out, my website is software770.com. Thank you so much, and have fun. Hope your children will enjoy.